Hello friends, today we will continue exercise 5.2 of chapter 5 arithmetic progression. If A with the first term of AP and B with a common difference, then AP will be, then AP सीक्वेंस को हम कैसे लिखेंगे? A first term will be A, second term A plus D, third term A plus 2D, fourth term A plus 3D. If A be the first term of an AP, D with a common difference, then AP will be A first term, second term A plus D, third term A plus 2D, fourth term A plus 3D. So you can see in this way we can find out formula for nth term, जिसे हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं an से. nth term of an AP कैसे निकालेंगे? You can see first term A1 represented by, second term A2, third term A3, fourth term A4. अब आप यहाँ पर देखो in fourth term जो coefficient of D है that is 3. In third term coefficient of D is 2. It means 1 less than this number. Second term coefficient of D is 1. So if we go to find out nth term, which is represented by an, then nth term will be A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula for nth term of an AP, which is also called general term. On this formula based, the new exercise 5.2 is, look at the questions. Let us see first question of this exercise 5.2. There is a table which we have to complete, in which the first part is first question, and the first part is what is given to us: A 7, D 3 and 8. A 3, D, A7, D 3 and 8, and you have to find an term. So you see n is 8, an to find out, it means 8th term we have to find out. An means A8 because n is 8. And formula for nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. So this becomes A plus 8 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 7D. Put the value of A and D. A is 7, D is 3. 7 into 3. So 7 plus 3, 21, 28. So this, for this part, nth term, which is 8th term, is 28. Another part of first question is, second part we say, we take in which A is minus 18, D we have to find out, D is not given, N is 10 and An is 0. This is the second part. In this part we have to find D. A is given, N is given, nth term is given. N is 10, it means nth term is A10, 10th term. And again by formula, A10 is A plus 10 minus 1 into D, which means A plus 9D, and A10 is A plus 9D. Now put the values. Nth term is given 0, so left hand side is 0. A is minus 18, and d we have to find out. Equation हो गया 0 is equal to -18 plus 9d. From this equation find out d. -18 लेफ्ट साइड पे ले जाएंगे प्लस हो जाएगा 18 is equal to 9d. 9 राइट से लेफ्ट पे लाएंगे डिवाइड हो जाएगा 18 by 9 is equal to d. 9 to the 18 so d is 2. This is second part of first question. Now one more part we do in this first question. This is part number 4. First question, fourth part. A is given -18.9. D is given to us 2.5 and n is not given. This part n is not given and an is 3.6. In this part we have to find out n. So again nth term is given 3.6. Again by formula nth term a plus n minus 1 into d. Put all the values an 3.6, a minus 18.9, n this time is not given, n minus 1 as it is, d 2.5. Now solve this for n. First of all, take this minus 18.9 to the right side, from right to left side. 3.6 plus 18.9, right hand side n minus 1 into 2.5, add, we get 22.5 equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Take this 2.5 to the left side, divide हो जाएगा, तो 22.5 divided by 2.5 equal to n minus 1. Now solve this. Decimal you can remove. There is one digit after decimal. So 225 upon 25 equal to n minus 1. 25 nines are. It is 225. So 9 is equal to n minus 1. Take this 1 to left side. Plus हो जाएगा. So n is 10. So this is the answer for this fourth part. So you can try the remaining parts of first question. So we have done 3 parts, first, second and fourth, based on this formula and the term of an AP, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now come to next question. Question number 2, there are 2 parts. We are doing the second one. What is the question? Second question and the second part. AP is given. Find the 11th term of AP. Question is 11th term of AP. Find out. AP is 3 minus 1 by 2, 2 up to so on. This AP is given and we have to find out 11th term of this AP. You see what is first term? A minus 3, D common difference हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे by successive difference method. Second term minus first term, minus 1 by 2 minus 3. Minus into minus it becomes plus 3. Take LCM, it is 2. Minus 1 plus 6 which is equal to 5 upon 2. D is 5 upon 2. Now 11th term we have to find out. 11th term is represented by A11. By formula, it is A plus 11 minus 1 into D. It means A plus 10 into D. Now put the values of A and D. A is minus 3, D is 5 by 2, 10 into 5 upon 2. 2 5s are 10, so it is minus 3 plus 25, so it is 22. 11th term of this AP is 22. So in this way, so now next question number 2. Question number 3. Find the missing terms. In question number 3, there are 5 parts. I will do 3 of them. Remaining 2 is your homework. Missing terms we have to find out in the sequence 2 is a missing term next and 26. 3 terms of an AP are given but second term is missing. So we have to find the second term. So look at first of all what is first term. First term is A2 and third term is given. A3 this time given 26. Now using the formula general term A plus n minus 1 into D, formula for third term is A plus 3 minus 1 into D equal to 26. It means A plus 2D equal to 26. We have the value of A 2. Put this value in this equation. 2 plus 2D equal to 26. Now we can find out D from this equation. 2D equal to 26 minus 2, which is 24. Take this 2 to the right side. It will divide 24. D is 24 upon 2, 12. So by this, we can find out D. First term was given A2 and third term was given 26. So by using the formula, A3 is A plus 2D equal to 26. Putting the value of A2, we can find out D, which is 12. Now, which term was missing? Second term was missing. So now find missing term. Second term. Now, second term, A2. Formula for the second term, by general term, you can write directly A plus 1D. Second term हम find out करते हैं 1 less than this 2. That will be the coefficient of D. So second term is A plus D. Put the value of A and D. A is 2, D is 12. So it is 14. Missing term is 14 in this question. In all these parts, actually what is given, 2 terms of the AP are given. With the help of those 2 terms, we will find A and D. Then any missing term we can find out by the general formula and the term A plus n minus 1 into D. Come to third part. This is the given sequence in which first term is given A 5. Second and third are the missing terms. Fourth term is 9 is to 1 by 2. A4 9 is to 1 by 2. You can write this 19 upon 2. Now what is the formula for fourth term? A4. A4 means A plus 3D is 19 upon 2. And what put the value of A5? 5 plus 3D equal to 19 upon 2. Now shift this 3D to right hand side. 19 upon 2 minus 5. Take LCM, it is 2. 19 minus 10. It is 9 by 2. 3D equal to 9 by 2. Shift this 3 to right side. Divide हो जाएगा 9 upon 2 into 3. 3 3 is 9. So D is 3 upon 2. In this way, we have find out D, which is 3 by 2. Now come to the missing terms. Second and third term was missing. Using the formula, second term A plus D. So put the value of A and D. 5 plus 3 by 2. LCM is 2. 10 plus 3. It is 13 by 2. This is second term. Third term, formula is A plus 2D. 1 less than this number 3. A plus 2D. A is 5. 2 into D. Value 3 by 2. 2 1 are 2. This is 5 plus 3. 8. So these are 2 missing values. Second and third we can find by this method. Now, fifth part of question number 3. Again, 2 terms are given. and 4 terms are missing. Second term is given 38 and third, fourth, fifth term is missing. Sixth term is minus 22. So now, what is the formula for second term? A2 is A plus D, 1 less than this number 2. A plus D is 38. Sixth term of an AP formula is A plus 5D equal to minus 22. In this part, we get two equations in A and D, and we solve it by elimination method as we have learned in chapter 3, pair of linear equations. These are two equations. You can see in both equations A is with the same coefficient, so we are subtracting directly second equation from first equation, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Change the sign. Now you can see A to A get cancelled. D minus 5D minus 4D. 38 plus 22, which is 60. So D is equal to 60 upon minus 4. 60 divided by 4, it is 15. So D is minus 15. Put this value of D in first or second equation. We are putting in first to get A plus minus 15 equal to 38. So plus into minus, it is minus. A minus 15 equal to 38. A is 38 plus 15, 53. So by using these equations, we can find value of A and D. In this part, A is 53 and D is minus 15. Now we can find out the missing terms. So first term is missing. First term is equal to actually A. So it is 53. Third term is missing. Third term formula is A plus 2D. A is 53. 2 into D is minus 15. 53 minus 30. It is 23. Fourth term is missing. Fourth term formula is A plus 3D. 1 less than this number 4. A is 53 plus 3. D is minus 15, 53 minus 45, it is 8, and one more term, fifth term is A plus 4D, 53, 80 value, or D is minus 15, 53 minus 60, it is minus 7. Now, next is question number 4. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 up to so on is 78? In this question, AP is given and we have to find one more term is given 78, and we have to find out which term is this of this AP. You can see A is 3, first term A is 3, D 8 minus 3, second term minus first term is 5. In this question, we have to find n actually. Which term is this 78 of given AP? So we assume that nth term is 78. Formula for the nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 78. A and D are given, put their values. A is 3, n minus 1, D is 5, equal to 78. Now you solve this equation for n. Take this 3 to right hand side, n minus 1 into 5 equal to 78 minus 3, which is 75. Now take this 5 to the right hand side. It will be divided by, it will divide 75. 75 upon 5, you get it is 15. So n minus 1 is 15. Now n is 15 plus 1, n is equal to 16. So answer is 16th term is 78 for given AP. Now in question number 5 there are two parts. Both are of the same type. We are doing second one, which is actually the same as question number 4, but a different way it has been asked. Find the number of terms in the following AP. How many terms this AP has? We are given first term A 18, B we can find out, second term minus first term, 31 by 2 minus 18, LCM is 2, 31 minus 36, this is minus 5 upon 2. For given AP, A is 18 and D is minus 5 by 2. हमें बताना है number of terms in this AP and we are given last term minus 47. Last term we assume it is nth term is minus 47. Now it is same as question number 4. Another term A plus n minus 1 into D equal to minus 47. Put the values of A and D. A 18, n minus 1, D minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 47. Shift this 18 to right side. 18 minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 minus 47 minus 18, it becomes minus 65. In next step, take this minus 5 by 2 to right hand side, it will be reciprocal 2 upon minus 5. Minus to minus you can cancel. 65 divided by 5, it is 13. 13 to the 26. So n is 26 plus 1, 27. So answer is this AP has 27 terms. Look at the way of answer we have given in 4th and 5th question. In 4th question, it was which term is 78. So answer 16th term. And in 5th question, how many number of terms this AP has? So answer is 27 terms. So finishing this lecture here. Second part of 5th I have done. First part you have to do yourself, and question number 6 is also on this of the same type. You can do yourself, and remaining we continue in next video.